Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Sam from Story Warehouse. We just got this car done. It's a 2016 Ford Edge with a 8-inch factory screen, event bad. So we ended up putting a Pioneer 4400 wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto with the Maestro RR module and the Maestro Kit MFT1. Well, this is how it looks like. Well, we have Sony here, but we have Pioneer on the top. That's how crazy it is. But it's gonna work with this Sony. That's the cool part about the Maestro module. So all these buttons is gonna be functioning same thing as before. If I go to right now, it's on the radio. Let's say right on the Kiss FM. And it's gonna show on the cluster, it's Kiss FM right there. And if I change the station, it's gonna show there also. Of course, the button is gonna work too. If I touch anything on the AC, the head unit is going to switch to the AC control. And you also can control the AC through the screen or ears. Well, like always, it's going to give you the information like gauges. And of course, rear camera. Well, thanks for watching. If you need any help with this car, let me know to put the 4500 in this car. It was a big challenge. We have to modify the head unit. The head unit is too big, and this car there is not too much room on the behind of the radio. So we modified the head unit. We took a lot of parts out of the head unit. So the customer loses the CD player of the car and the head unit, but he really doesn't care. I think nobody cares about the CD player since nobody plays CD anymore. He wanted the Apple CarPlay wireless, so we ended up putting this 4500 since this is the only Apple CarPlay wireless head unit that we were able to put it in this car. So just if you need any help with this car, give us a call. It's 562-463-0488. Again, 562-463-0488. We are located at Pico Rivera, California. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.